Henan Paving Machinery Company Limited is a company in the development, production, and sale of snow sweeper, snow blower, other snow cleaning machine, commercial cleaning machines, and other environmental protection cleaning equipment. The following is an introduction to the assembly of PN80. To show the assembled machine, first connect the power cord at the switch and connect the positive pole to the positive pole and the negative pole to the negative pole. Open the gasoline cap and add about 1.2 liter of gasoline. Open the oil cap and add about 0.6 liter of oil. Turn on the valve switch and then ignite the machine. After the machine ignites, turn up the door lock switch. Gear adjustment keys: 5 forward gears, 2 reverse gears. Brush angle adjustment key: rotate 15 degrees left and right. Turn on the light button. Press the brush rotation key to rotate the brush. Henan Paving Machinery Company Limited is a large-scale professional cleaning equipment manufacturer integrating R&D, production, sales, service. It specializes in the development of floor scrubber, floor sweeper, snow sweepers, and other equipment. Products are exported to Mexico, Korea, USA, Philippines, Pakistan, Italy, and other countries. Received unanimous praise from customers. The company's products are exported to more than 30 countries and regions. Enjoy a good reputation in the international market. We are looking forward to cooperating with you with enthusiasm and full spirit. Win-win with you.